So you want to know what an IPO is all about? Initial public offering. I'm going to tell you exactly what it's all about. An IPO is all about the Benjamins. It's all about cash. It's all about the ability to raise money for your business. That's what it's all about. It's about that money. Money for research, money for expanding your business, money for acquisitions. Maybe you want to buy a business. Instead of starting a whole new thing, buy a business that's already done it and just take on their assets. Right? You want to pay off your executives. You want to pay down your debt. IPO. That's what it's all about. You put those shares out there in the market and they sell to the syndicate in the primary market, where all these investment banks will buy all your shares with the intention that they're going to sell it at a profit to the secondary market, right? But ultimately, on IPO day, all of a sudden your bank account goes from this to this, assuming you get that far, because you do have to make your filings with the SEC. Everything's got to be above board. You got to have full transparency. You know, all your books got to be good. Everything's got to be clean, because otherwise you're not going to get that far. But if you can pull that off and you can select the appropriate price for your IPO and your stock does well, it doesn't really matter if your stock does well. Stock doing well, that's another issue. I'll talk about that in another video. The main thing that you're concerned about is just really getting through the IPO, because once the IPO occurs, you've got the money, right? You've got the money, and that was ultimately the goal. Now, the stock not doing good after the fact, or the secondary trading, how that occurs, yes, that does affect you, but it doesn't affect the money that you already have. You got the money. Now you can do whatever you want with it. However, you are now a publicly traded company, so you got a lot of eyeballs looking at you. You got a lot of investors that have vested interest in you and your success. So if your stock's not doing good, it looks like the company's not doing good, they're gonna have something to say about it, and they're gonna be breathing down your neck. But that's a whole nother topic. I'm just talking about getting that money. And that's what the IPO is all about. Getting money. Financing your business. And it's not just for tech companies, it's not just for big businesses, it's for businesses, period. So as long as you can qualify, because again, you gotta have your books in order, you too can have an IPO. This is Carlisle Speaks Wall Street. Thanks for watching. Click on that thumbs up button and subscribe. But don't waste your time and click on the subscribe button, and don't click on the bell icon and click on send me updates. Because if you don't do that, you don't get notified. What's the point of subscribing? Thanks for watching, and see you soon. I wanted to talk really quickly about the kind of things you can do with SQL. There's lots of things. So in this course, we're going to talk about a lot of things you can do with SQL. You can do select statements, insert statements, drop table, create tables. So once again, if you're really serious about learning this, take the course, get certified, get the job, get hired, get that money. Otherwise, enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Thumb up the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Check below in the description. All YouTubers always do this thing. Check below, whatever. Check below the description as well. Or you can click right here. Click right here for the next episode. All right, guys, I'm out.